This is Oppo Reno 5Z smartphone, and today we will show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the keyboard. Next, at the top part that contains all these icons and features of the Gboard keyboard, look for this particular icon. If it is not right here, just tap on these three horizontal dots in order for the full options menu to be opened. Next, just go for the clipboard page, turn on this toggle in order for the keyboard clipboard to be activated. If you would like to remove any of the elements you have over here, tap on this pencil icon, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on this trash bin. If you would like for something on the other hand to be added to the clipboard, simply copy any piece of text you need, any word, character, or basically whatever you want to have at your clipboard. So I'll simply copy this nonsense right here that I've just typed in, and once I'll get back to my clipboard, I'll see that it has been successfully added as the most recent element. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.